I just kept fucking rolling. Because that's life, guys and gals. Nobody gives a fuck about your sorry vagina. Nobody. And if you're hanging, chilling with people that give a fuck, you're hanging and chilling with the wrong motherfuckers. Bill Gates doesn't give a fuck if you live or die. Don't you fucking get it? And I'm not here to insult your ethnicity, but I will. I'm not here to insult your religion, but I will. I'm not here to insult your gender, but I will. Because in the real fucking world, nobody gives a fuck. Political correctness is nothing more than a manifestation of lack of fucking self-esteem. You want to fit in. You want people to like you. Why? Because you've had poor fucking role models. And who's your role model? Mommy, maybe daddy, an older brother, a grandparent. How were they made to be put in a position to create high-performance people? They have no training. There are people in this fucking audience today. Now, I'm not going to embarrass you by asking you to raise your hand. There are people in this audience today that have never been spanked by their parents. They've never been reprimanded by their parents. They've never got in a schoolyard fight. They wouldn't say shit if it was in their fucking mouth. And you wonder why the country, the world's so fucked up. I can see. And that's why I call you snowflakes. Because you melt under fucking pressure. I can eat you 10 at a time in this fucking room. And the guys that are 6-pack, 4% body fat, pill poppers, I can take 20 at a time. You hang around with cripples, you learn how to limp. You understand what I'm saying? And most of the people that you hang around with are mental cripples. There's not a person in this audience that would say they want their kids to grow up like their parents. There's probably not too many of you in this audience that would say, I want my kids to grow up even like me. Do you want your kids to grow up like the guys you hang with, that you fucking chill with? Bill Gates doesn't hang. Elon Musk doesn't hang. Warren Buffett doesn't chill. Henry Ford didn't chill. Steve Jobs, who I knew, didn't chill. I don't chill. I don't really give a fuck if y'all died in the audience today, okay? What I do give a shit is that I'll touch maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you to go to my site, get all the free material, and become big successes, and then come back. Okay. Command allows no intimacies. It's lonely at the top. And one of the reasons that the current generation is so fucked up is because they want to be everybody's friend. It's lonely at the top, kids. Warren Buffett only has one friend, Charlie Munger. Bill Gates has one friend, Melinda Gates. Steve Jobs had no friends. Ray Kroc at McDonald's had no friends. And look at you. You got a plethora of fucking friends. There are people you call your friends. American symbols of manhood. My dad's generation and your generation. What the fuck? Why'd they ask me? SEAL Team 6. I wasn't a SEAL. I was an Army officer, infantry trained. Why didn't they ask one of the other dudes you listen to on a motherfucking podcast? Huh? Why? Because they're cunts. And they wanted somebody to fucking leadership. They had a pair. I blew them out of the fucking auditorium. Me, not the other guys you listen to. Me, transitioning them from SEAL team to civilian life. Me, not the fucking rat shit bastards that you listen to. You ought to be fucking ashamed. We have the lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. The lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. You get this? The lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. What are you going to tell your children and grandchildren 25 years from now Gee, Daddy, gee, Grandpa, what the fuck were you doing when the world's changing? They were giving fucking money away, other than have your thumb up your fucking ass. I think you go like this. It's the lowest interest rates in 5,000 years. Money is free. Association is power. Look around you. Or don't look around you. And pussiness rubs off. Being a snowflake rubs off. This generation and a half has learned to make money online. Like a retard, and you have no social skills. You have no interpersonal skills. You have no verbal skills. You're fucked.